Hello, I'm Alan Wright and I'm the inventor of the Radiator flow booster. Two versions available, the V2 which fits directly on a radiator and the V1 which fits on the flow and return. Now the first thing you're going to do is try and balance a system, and that involves opening up and closing radiator valves in order to get the final radiator hot and all the rest of the radiators still hot. And there are various videos that will tell you how to do that. What they don't actually tell you is what you do when you've actually given up trying to get the thing working. And that's because up until now there wasn't a solution for that, but now there is. The Radiator flow booster is a pump, a very robust pump, which will give an additional oomph and push a fixed volume of water through a radiator. So any radiator that didn't get hot before can get hot, and that will make balancing radiators easy. Obviously try and balance them without the pump, but when all else fails, there is a solution. So I hope that was helpful and you take use of the Radiator booster, and thank you.